आपका चौधरी मैथ्स अड्डा में स्वागत है।
तो ये दोस्तों रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन का चैप्टर स्टार्ट करते हैं और आपके सामने ये पहला सवाल ये रहा। सी A is to B proportional 2 is to 3 and B is to C proportional 4 is to 5. Then we have to find A is to B is to C, right? So just take your time and solve on it your own. एंड उसके बाद मैं बताऊंगा आपको कि कैसे सॉल्व करना है, इसका बेस्ट मेथड क्या है, इसका बेसिक क्या है, मैं सब कुछ बताऊंगा। आप वैसे देख सकते हैं कि अगर ये A/B 2:3 है तो हम ये मान सकते हैं A = 2K है एंड B = 3K है। ये तो आप लोगों ने बेसिक में पढ़ाई होगा, राइट? सही है, इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करते हैं। सो अपने पास क्या दिया, A/B = 2:3 एंड B is to C = 4:5। अब अगर यहाँ देख पा रहे हैं तो B एंड C का एक जगह B का वैल्यू 3 है एंड एक जगह B का वैल्यू 4 है। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू मेक दीज टू वैल्यूज टू बी इक्वल। ओके, अगर हमें किसी चीज़ को किसी के रिस्पेक्ट में तोलना है तो पहले उस चीज़ को हमको बराबर करना होगा। तो सबसे पहले B का वैल्यू बराबर करेंगे, तो B का वैल्यू बराबर करने क्या करेंगे, 3/4 का LCM देखेंगे कि कितना आता है 3/4 का LCM। तो 3/4 का LCM कितना आता है, 12 आएगा 3/4 का LCM। सो द फर्स्ट प्रोपोर्शन दैट इज A/B शुड बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4 and the second expression ratio should be multiplied by 3. Then only we will have the value of B as a 12 in both ratio. So if in first ratio, if denominator is multiplied by 4, then numerator will be also multiplied by 4. Therefore A/B is equal to 8:12. Now in second ratio, the numerator is multiplied by 3, so the denominator will be also multiplied by 3. So the second ratio B/C will be 12:15. Okay, so now we can see that the value of B in both the expression, in both the ratio, is 12. So now we can write A/B/C, that is 8:12:15. Okay, this was the method which is generally used by everyone, and in examination you not need to have this much writing. Okay, so then what will be the solution? So I will teach you the easy way to solve these things. Okay, now see, as it is given that A/B = 2:3 and B/C = 4:5. So what we simply do, that just multiply just make the whole equation equal. So what we do, give the proportional here and here, and we in the left side we will add 4 and in the right side we will add 3. Means this number will be given. So if now we will multiply this, then this is 8, this is 12, this is 15. See, eventually what we are doing is the same process behind this, because here we are going to have a LCM of 4 and 3, and we are going to have 12. So here it is only doing that if there is we are taking LCM, so just multiply both the number. So we multiply the upper equation by 4 and the lower equation by 3. That's all. This was one of the step. Okay, now this was the second step. Now what third step states that, see, the ratio A is to B, there is some ratio. Okay, let this put this way. Let's take this as M is to N and this as P is to Q. So A is to B, M is to N, and B is to C is equal to P is to Q. So what we will do, that multiply this number for the first equation, then it will be MP proportional. Second, multiply this and Q, and third multiply this and Q. So we can put this in our equation. 2 is to 3 and 4 is to 5. So if we multiply this 2 into 4, 8. We multiply this 2, 4 into 3, 12. And if we multiply 3 into 5, then it will be 15. So whatever we will do, the same answer, that is 8 is to 12 is to 15 is the correct answer.
Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe the channel.